Hi, how are you? It's Ching. We are going to the part 3 of essential stretch for sports or for all of us living in this modern period, right? The modern time. So in our lifestyle, the modern lifestyle, right? We're in this plane all the time. It's called the sagittal plane. It's flexion and extension. But the problem is it's always flexion. My knees flex, my ankles flex, my hips flex. And I go like this. You drive, you running, you biking, you gardening, right? And at work, all this position, same thing, hairdresser, chef, is this way all the time. And guess what? We also sleep this way, side sleeping. So we're in this sitting position so much. And it sounds good, right? It's a cardio. But your body says, hello, I have other function I can do. Let's talk to other muscle that you need to know. So we're going to reverse all that, okay? So it's not just good for the sports, it's for people live in this modern lifestyle, okay? So you can see how I set up. And you're going to use a mat or the carpet. And the chair is represent the couch and your coffee table. It's too hard for me to bring my coffee table and couch in here, right? So I'm just use a chair. So here we go. I'm going to kneel down. Okay. So you say, oh my God, there's no way I can kneel, right? Then you better start now, because someday you don't want to lose all your function. If your body will talk to you, say it's really hard for you, then you need to do more. But with proper, put a cushion underneath, right? Grab a cushion or your pillow, put it right under your knee, you'll be fine. Okay? Fear is not good. I give you a lot of hope. I give myself a lot of hope. So from here, giant step forward, squeeze your glutes. So I share with you because I love life. I love the nature. I love my kids. I love my grandchildren. All these people, I want to be healthy. I don't want to have them worry about me, right? That's not good. So engage your abdominal, your knees and your hip. Okay, you ready? So breathing, right? Inhale, exhale. I'm going to stay forward. So, oh gosh, I feel so good. Squeeze your glutes, engage your tummy with your first responder. You're adding the thoracic spine extension. Can you see where my arm is? Reaching to the ceiling. Because I'm extending the spine. I'm not overextend the arm. That's just wishful thinking. So inhale, we're done with wishful thinking. We love truth, right? The truth about body is so much easier because you just have to recruit the right muscle, do the right movement, don't exaggerate it. And return. Exhale again, hollow your tummy, so this movement 1. Now movement 2, you rotate the thorax where the rib cage is, right? Thoracic spine, put your hands on the coffee table or your couch. I'm going to move chair forward a bit because it's a little narrow. You can open your left arm out straight. So this is my right arm, this is my right leg, right? Open out. So inhale, exhale. I'm going to rotate mine and your thoracic spine. You're going to feel the inner side now. Inhale, exhale, looking. If all this is really hard for you, remember, I'm going to put an end screen. The part 1 is on the chair. Inhale, you can start from there if you have a knee problem, right? Keep giving you many ways. So you have no excuse. Okay, if you're really strong, you can put your hands here, do the whole thing. So that means you're adding in the balance to it. Okay, good. So now I'm going to put my right hand down. I'm going to initial rotation from my pelvis now. I rotate my pelvis, my torso, my thoracic spine, the whole torso in one goes. So this one, right, movement 3, we're going to stretch the tensor fascia latae, TFL. Plus strengthen the back muscle. It's totally straight. Again, exhale. One last time. Just don't hyperextend this arm, okay? You push down, so you help this shoulder goes above this one. Okay, now this is third movement. When we reach arm up, the fourth movement, open. I'm going to use this to prepare myself for the 5th movement. Okay, here we go. I'm reaching back, bend your knee, grab both toes. You say, oh my God, Ching, are you kidding? No, I'm not. So some of you can do it. Keep going. So I'm going to open my pec major, go. I will tell the modification after this. And so heel. Heel, right heel to the right touch. You rotate the pelvis again. You do not want to lose it. Vastus laterally is one of your quadriceps muscle. You're screaming so loudly. Okay, so you say, I can't do that. I'm going to give you the modification right now. You put both hands on the floor, back straight. That's already hard too. Dorsal flexion the ankle, bring the heel to your tush. 1. So you're still talking to your quadricep a little bit, right? Keep the hip extend. If you're right there, you are not. You're going to keep going forward. You say, I can't. No, it doesn't matter. Start what you have, okay? When you finish, you slowly push yourself back. So your hip flexor is like, oh my God, I am so tight. I need a little more time to come back. So you go into a shallow stretch. Slowly contract your abdominal, unroll, come back up. So that in Pilates, we'll call it shell, like a piece of seashell at the beach. Isn't that, they're very smart, they go like this. So when we walk on the beach, we don't cut our feet, right? Nature is amazing. So now, I'm going to do the other side too, so you can follow me. So I'm walking over. I move my chair forward a little bit, okay? You at the couch, it's fine, so it's much longer, right? So step 1, preparation. If you need balance, you say, I can balance here. You put your hands on. If on your knees really hard, you sit on the chair. Remember, that's the part 1. The part 1 we did this. It's the same thing, okay? So it's going to be at the end screen, so you go there to check. But I'm not going to repeat that. So ready? Engage your abdominal. The legs close to your chair. Step forward. Squeeze your glutes, engage your abdominal, extend that, right? You're going to open the flexion. So this is all extension. Hands right here or right here. So your front knee become the table because your balance is better. You say, no way, and just hug. Touch the, okay? So the idea is no excuse not to do them, okay? Inhale. Exhale again, shoulder down, 1, and return. Squeeze your glutes. I add a thoracic spine extension with a beautiful breath. Exhale, hollow your tummy, so you know this is a normal down the breathing. Breathing along on the inhale. Exhale, squeeze your glutes, and the first responder, right? Transverse abdominal, hollow. Let's do one more time. So you do about 3-4 times. So if you have energy to do more, go for it, okay? Up to 8. So your hands. Now rotate use my external on the left side. This is my left leg, left hand. Rotate to the right. This is on the chair too. I have shown you already. So now you rotate torso. So the energy from your right shoulder spiral down to your inner thigh. So this is the movement 2. And keep stretching, get that inner thigh. Especially if you play soccer, right? You're kicking the ball. And you run. It's so much work with that leg. So you're going to get to know them. Okay, so inhale. So now you're ready. You can put your hands on the chair. I'm going to put on top of my knee. This time, movement 3, I'm going to initiate the rotation from my pelvis. So as my pelvis rotate, my torso follow. I look right to where the couch is. Rotate. So now I'm stretching the tensor fascia latae. Exhale, I'm push down the right. I'm push down from my knee. Add a rotation 2. And exhale 3. Sorry if my count is wrong. 4. Okay, stay here. Movement 4. Inhale. Rotate torso even more. So I'm trying to have you open up your pec major on the right side, the chest. And go prepare for the movement 5. Okay, ready? Movement 5. Reaching back, grab hold. Heel to your glutes. 1. Oh my goodness. 2. My quadriceps. 3. And 4. Rotate pelvis again. You're going to feel the vastus laterally and somewhat your IT bend. And exhale. Just one more. And go. Shoulder open. Slowly come back. Push yourself back. Slowly. Because your body's going to talk to you. You got to move slow. And softly. Nice little deep breathing. Release the hip flexors. And slowly contract your abdominal again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to neutral. Don't come back to here, okay? So you're going to come back, still feel the first responder. So you always know the proper posture. And once you know and you keep practicing, become an amazing good habit. You don't have to. So people say, do you have awareness? How can I have awareness if I don't know what it is, right? So I'm teaching you what it is. Engage your abdominal. I got first response transverse. So I'm sitting here. I have a straight back. I can sit. I'm typing. Move the computer closer. So lots of things you can do. Total awareness of this body. Don't escape from this body. This is the only one you have. I'm saying that all the time. Once you understand this body, this matter, you already, right, unconscious develop spiritual. Because why? You have gratitude. The gratitude about owning this body doesn't matter what happened, okay? Once you have life, you have this body, you have to pay attention to this body. Don't matter what disease was happened, your body heals. Your mind gets stronger. Your body heals, mind goes strong. The mind goes stronger, your body heals. You see, work together. So matter and the energy work together. Don't grab it from the air. I mean, you do, you gotta breathe. But don't grab it from somewhere outside. Go inside first. Get to know your body. Okay? Thank you so much. And see you next week. Thank you for being with me. Take good care.